has a comment down here. All right. All right. Mike Arnold already got the first comment. Holy bejesus. Look. Today is a good day. Today went back on a break and check AMC. Almost had to go home because I nearly crapped my pants. Now, that's a good way to start this off. To read one of those comments. That's a good comment. That's a good comment right when the stream, before it even started. That's how I was too. Okay, don't worry. I went to the gym and I saw AMC go to 26.40. And I was like, I was about to go home. Freaking out here. AMC kind of flagged me out a bit. It looks like it wants to get this breakout soon, and that's hopefully what we're gonna see. But either way, we're still up 25% on the day. There's a few things to go over that we're gonna go over in tonight's video anyway. But if anybody is in the live stream, we'll go over it right now, and then we're gonna have a little bit more for tonight's video on AMC and GameStop, as well as Sundial, BBIG, Prague, and MULN. Okay, so everybody hopping in the chat. I appreciate you guys popping in. There's not much more we could ask for, right? This is a beautiful day, and exactly what we talked about in the previous video. History repeats itself, right? It's clear as day happening right here. I'm gonna pull my trading view up and check the exact percentages, but it's really so simple. AMC, GameStop, we're burning shorts away. There's nothing else to say. There's really nothing else to say. Let me check the all right. If we go back here, we change the candlesticks. Not Hikanashi. We want candles. Okay. This is about the same day. It looks like it peaked up about 62%. Okay. Today, you're looking at 25% with a peak so far of 29. Okay. Imagine it hits 30 today, says Adam. I think it's gonna. I definitely think it's gonna hit 30 today. Yo, Mod in here. Appreciate you hopping in. Tino Link TV says, too many day traders. Man, soon they will start shorting. Look at the volume dying. They can attempt to short all they want, but the reality is that this gamma ramp is building up too high for them, especially at 26. And not only that, but there's not enough shares available to borrow to even fight back. There's really not. But I'm gonna take a look anyway. Let's see. AMC volume 140 million in volume today. I don't think volume's dying out. That's decent. That's not bad. That's not bad volume at all. Let's see here. AMC, we want this to break out of this little flag we got going on here. Hopefully to the upside. Let me chart this out and see what it looks like. All right. Price has been driven by FOMO. Well, whatever price is driven by, we're up 25% on the day. Whatever you want to say price is driven by, we're up 25%. And I think it is what it is, all right? You have the same basic setup. Whether you see it or not, AMC is trading in the same exact way. So depending on what we have here, this is somewhat what you're going to see. Healthy cooldowns, healthy retracements are good for the stock, but this is the basic breakdown of it. It's really, if history is going to repeat itself from the previous days, but history already is repeating itself from back in May. So we'll see what happens here. Let's see what the live chat's saying. Gonna squeeze soon. Too expensive for them not to cover. Let's see. I think it definitely could squeeze soon. GameStop, the only thing that bothers me is AMC's cost to borrow isn't really going up. It stays between 2 and 6%. While you have GameStop's going up to like max cost to borrow like 49%. It's jumping. So I think if anyone's gonna lead, remember we made a video about this the other day. I think it's gonna be GameStop and AMC, and then you're gonna have. Let me actually bring that up so I don't say the wrong thing here. Made the video about a day or two ago. Also, guys, for everybody popping in the chat, we made a final exit strategy video on the channel last night. I tried not to make it too long. It was about an 18-minute video, but it gives you the complete breakdown on how to maximize your profit and exit AMC and GameStop safely, or whatever squeeze play you're actually in. Let me see what we had here. All right. So AMC and GameStop, in my opinion, are going to lead off with the squeezing, and then you're going to have Prog and Sundial, and then you're going to have MULN and BBIG. Now, I'm putting these in groupings, so AMC and GameStop, and then Prog, Sundial, MULN, BBIG. If you want to know my personal beliefs on that, you can go check out the video. It was posted yesterday. AMC, GameStop still up 12%, trying to hold. AMC currently up 24%, flagging out. We're going to see where it's at right here, attempting this breakout, hopefully in the next half hour or so. But it's not even, we're still an hour away from power hour. So really right now we're just hanging out, we're just chilling. This is the time we answer some questions and talk a little bit. So let's check out the live chat. Adam says, I have finally hit green in AMC today, all time. Congrats, bro. I'm glad to hear that. Mitrop says, at what price do you think they cover? I think firms have been covering this whole time. The price isn't just directly driven by FOMO and gamma here, in my opinion. I think some shorts are getting out little by little here and there. If you take a look at the days with the highest percentage gains, those are probably the days. Well, you can also see that they run the most, but those are probably the days shorts get out. Now, obviously, they're running the most because high volume, high FOMO, etc. But shorts like to get out on high volume. It's easier for them to exit their positions. It lowers the days to cover for shorts to get out. So I do think smaller firms have been covering little by little, but it's clear as day shorts have not covered, right? Short interest still hanging pretty high. We still have a T+2 reader, so we'll see this come Wednesday. AMC is attempting this breakout here. It's kind of just sitting around. We're gonna need volume to pick up here for power hour. Let's see what this is doing. All right, we're gonna go to 5-minute candles. 626,911, 982. Okay, this volume's not too bad. But you saw the most volume on that peak candle bit before 2647 on the move up there. Guys, drop some comments in the chat. Drop some rockets for your girl Amy and your boy Jimmy. Let's check out how the overall market. Oh, you know what we can talk about? You know what we can talk about that everybody's talking about? Will Smith slapping the shit out of Chris Rock. What do you guys think about that? If you haven't seen it, I believe it was at the Grammys, but Chris Rock says something about Will Smith's wife. Forgot what it was, but she has a medical condition, and he got really pissed, walked up there, slapped the shit out of him, sat down, and then said, pretty much, keep my wife's name out your fucking mouth in front of everybody. But then in his speech, he did apologize. He kind of went over it, and I understand him. He kind of went over how in this industry you have to just let people disrespect you and pretend it's okay. And I know where he's coming from with that. So I personally don't think he was in the wrong. Other people could say, oh, there's no reason to assault someone on live TV. Fuck that. The guy disrespected him in front of everybody, disrespected his wife. He walked up there like a man and slapped him in the fucking face. I agree with what happened, personally. I agree that Will Smith should have probably slapped the shit out of him a couple more times while he was up there. AMC up 26%. It's attempting this breakout right here. We're going to see what happens. Hopefully volume picks up a little bit. Yes, sir. Elon Husk, drop some rockets in the chat. All right, AMC is getting this breakout. You're watching this live. Currently trading at 25.50. 58. It's holding here. It's trying to get this pop. Come on, Amy. Come on, Amy, get moving. Up 26%. Let's do it. Let's do it. It's fake. They all are friends and play basketball on the weekend together, bro. It's only for the show, as it's been losing rating last few years. Yeah, that's another theory that I definitely believe. AMC's getting a breakout right now. It's a slow one, but it's working. 25.70. Yeah, Tino Link TV. I agree with that. It was probably set up, personally. But it was still fun to see. It's still fun to talk about and honestly just laugh about it. Set up or not, because I think most things on the media are set up. AMC, let's fucking do it. Let's do it. Exactly what we're waiting for. A break out of this flag. It's trying to move right here. You may see volume pick up right here, and you may see AMC get the ball rolling again. Okay. Currently up 27%. They are in entertainment industry, especially Will Smith came from comedy. If they can't take it, is lame. I don't know. Like we were talking about before, he probably takes so much. Probably just came down to him exploding, which he did apologize about. But I mean, the guy shouldn't have said it in general. You should know better than that. Seriously. Adam says, do you think GME and AMC will run up together, or they will do it separately? No, not AMC is a setup. I mean that whole Will Smith thing. Do you think GME and AMC will run up together, or will they do it separately? I think they're going to run up together, but separately, but very, very close. Like, I think GameStop's probably gonna run not even a day before AMC. Probably within an hour. That's really, I think, so pretty much in tandem, but separately at the same time. But I do think GameStop and AMC are going to move together. So if you're asking that because you want to hop out of one and maybe get in the other, I don't think you'll have time. But if you want to watch the final exit strategy video that was uploaded last night, it really gives you everything, including riding the wave down. Is Will Smith smacking Chris Rock bullish for AMC? Yeah, it is. It is actually, because if you haven't heard, Will Smith slapped the ask. So it is actually apish for AMC. That's why we're up 27%. Will Smith slapped the ask, and now we're getting moving. That's really it. So call him up, start talking shit to him so we can get a little bit more going here. All right, AMC is hanging out right here. It wants to push. Hopefully we get a new day high before power hour, because that would bring an interesting power hour. I posted a poll, what will AMC close at on Friday? Drop your comments in here. But someone said $30 end of day. We'll see what happens. We are going to see what happens here. Do I believe it can hit 30 for the end of day? Here's the thing, right? Let me get this volume out of here. Here's something I wanted to look at. Let's see, options chain. 26. All right. When you get to, now this is good. When you get over 26, and this is probably why we got shot down back under it, but we're pushing up there right now, right? 25.70. When AMC gets over 26, you're getting an additional 14,000 calls running in the money for a total of 92,000. Okay, so the higher you go, the more gamma. And as soon as you break over $30, if AMC breaks over 30, that's an additional 20,000 contracts expiring in the money, bringing you up to 118,000 and getting the ball rolling, etc., etc., etc. Now, gamma doesn't have to happen just because there's a high amount of open interest. Remember, it's if retail or whoever owns the option ends up exercising them. Okay, that's how you see the gamma get rolling, but not a high percent actually exercise. Let's see. Look at GME volume. See volume. Anything seems to be suspicious. Okay, let me see. Ooh, what? All right. Well, I think historically. Hold on. Let me take a look here before I speak on it at all. Indicators, volume. Here's what we want to look at. Okay. Yeah, no, that's actually a decent. That's actually a decent amount of volume for GameStop, because GameStop doesn't trade that much. If you take a look back and just yeah, if you just look lately, that's a good amount for GameStop. But in general, you should see it slowly start picking up, and if you don't, then I would be heavily suspicious. But that also just means not a lot of people are probably day trading GameStop. It could mean nothing, honestly, because realistically, if you had zero selling pressure, right, and you have 10,895,000, if you had zero people selling, then you could realistically still have like 10 million, whatever the volume is of shorts covering, right? But obviously there's not zero selling pressure, or else there wouldn't be red candles. There would be several halts, etc. AMC got a little bit of a breakout. It may come down to hug this trend line. It may come back down to 25, 45, somewhere in that zone, and then get another pop. Price increase in percentage compared to volume, but GME has no shares. It shows borrowing price. Yeah. All right. If we're comparing price to volume, once again, AMC is catching up, okay? Because we have a 27% day right now, and GameStop at a 14% day. Now, GameStop, when AMC and GameStop first started running a few days ago, you would see that AMC had two 14% days, while GameStop had about a 30% day. So I think AMC has a little bit of catching up to do right now. Before we get in that whole other question you had, I want to check out the percentage gains from here. Okay, 120% up for GameStop from here, and AMC is up from the same day 98%. So not far off at all. Actually, GameStop is ahead of AMC, and this is from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days ago on both of these stocks. So GameStop is not falling behind at all. Let's see. But GME has no shares. It shows borrowing price. Yeah, it shows GameStop and AMC have no shares available to borrow. But if this was the case, for example, utilization has been 100% for weeks on AMC, but cost to borrow is not creeping up, and they're still getting shares available to borrow reported. And then I don't know. It's tough to tell whether what's reported to us is true or not, because if there were no shares available to borrow, you wouldn't see major. I mean, you could, but you wouldn't see major drops if everybody is still holding the stock. And also, if utilization was 100%, you wouldn't see shares available to borrow, and you would also see cost to borrow going up. So it's like kind of a loop of where it doesn't make sense. I get it. Same goes for GameStop. Zero shares available to borrow, except GameStop's cost to borrow is actually going up significantly. That's why I think GameStop could lead this run. I mean, it's already at 175. Let's take a look at the options for GameStop. Already getting over 170, you're adding an additional 22,000 calls in the money for GameStop right now. And then you're looking at 200 for 11,000, 250 for 6,000, 300 for 12,000. So they're pretty spread out, but right now we're looking good. We're at 172 for GameStop. Let's see. What's up, Rhonda? Like Arnold, I'm back. I had to change my pants. Oh, it's disgusting. Lottery the gym bro. What's up, bro? Yeah, yes sir, gym bro. Gotta stay healthy. Why cost to borrow is so low? Maybe it's a setup to go long and holding shares for the future to short. Cost to borrow is so low. Maybe it's a setup to go long. Well, cost to borrow is so low just because there are shares available to borrow. I don't know why it's telling us there's not, but it's clear as day if the cost to borrow. All right, it's either cost to borrow is not creeping up because someone is paid off, or they're trying to scare us away and pretty much saying that the shorts aren't paying anything, or cost to borrow is low because utilization is actually not 100%. So cost to borrow isn't creeping up because there is shares available to borrow against the stock. Now, if you're saying if there's shares available to borrow against the stock, shorts are going long, that wouldn't really matter because either way, you have BlackRock, Vanguard, who are also long on the stock that we know that are clearly lending out their shares. Also, if that's the case, they're kind of just helping. Honestly, they're adding buying pressure and they can sell when they want. As for shorting for the future, there's no point to hold those shares because you're just running with the crowd and then shorting with the crowd. Like, for example, if we run up to $10,000 tomorrow and we start dropping significantly 2,000 every hour, everybody's going to be selling or jumping in short or buying puts. I mean, it's not going to be like a surprise factor. She wants to be over 26. Yeah, we want AMC over 26 because you're going to have, oh shit, here we go. A little bit of a breakout. Up over 26 right now for AMC, up 28%. Let's check. But yeah, AMC wants to be over 26 because you're getting an additional, well, in total, 92,000 calls expiring in the money if you're over 26. So right now we're doing good. Let's check this out. And look, price is not ripping, just steady going up like controlled. Yeah, price isn't ripping and it's steadily going up because shorts like to get out with high volume. Okay. The reason it's not going straight up is because shorts are covering within the volume, within the stock being traded. It's easier to get out safely that way. Now, let's just say no one was trading this, right? Shorts get out. You're going to have volatility halt right off the bat, or you're going to have a clearing halt, whatever. You're going to have a halt on the stock. And if it's a halt to the upside, you're also going to have hundreds of thousands of more people FOMOing in than you already have with it ripping slowly. You're going to have everybody looking at the stock. Oh shit, it's halted to the upside. Let's jump in because it was once a $70 stock. That's just my opinion. Mike Arnold says, yeah, we need a few $100 candles to make this exciting. Hopefully soon, dude. History is repeating itself right now, and if that's the case, you should see about a 70% day soon, 70 to 100% day sometime this week, so that'd be nice. Harry Pineapple, what's up, my man? You say, well, lottery sucks. What did we say before? Tits jacked. Oh, yeah. Listen, that's between us. I'm not going to show them on the stream. Don't be weird here. Mod said, sorry, I'm back. No problem. It's fine that you left. Nobody was going crazy here, right? We were just talking about Will Smith. Nobody was really going crazy. So the mod didn't need to boot anybody that I know of, but I'm glad you're back. AMC broke out of this little flag, currently up 28%. It's looking good. It's basing on top of the last run, and you should get a push within a minute or two from now. You should get a push, okay? And the next stop of resistance is actually where it just stopped, okay? 26.25. If you get a clean break over that, confirmation, of course, breaking new highs of the day, you should see a move. Let's see where this thing would move to if we get another rip. If we break this resistance here, I don't see a problem with AMC running up to about 27.80. So another $1.80. Yeah, realistically shouldn't have a problem up to 27.70, 27.80. So we'll see what happens here. But right now you're getting that pop, just like we said, in the next couple minutes, and you're getting that move. Give me a ninja boot. I'm so excited. We need an awesome day. Yeah, this is a beautiful day. There's nothing more. There's nothing that makes my day better than AMC ripping 30%. Honestly, I couldn't think of. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know if there's anything better. Maybe maple candies. Those are good. You guys ever have maple candies? Those are fire. All right, AMC currently up 28.7%. You're getting that next pop here. If we break over this resistance again, you should see 2770 to 2780, somewhere in that zone. After we break over this 2625 resistance, hopefully we get a clean break. Let's see what GameStop is doing. GameStop up 13%, also getting a little bit of a move, hit a day high of 175. See live chat. Hope your day's going well, my man. Remember, there will be some higher algorithmic buying too, so we will see higher FOMO at the same time. The average guy sees and train wants to get on board. Yeah, I agree. Right now, until we have a volatility haul or something like that, I think algorithms are gonna have a hard time controlling this. Let's see. Hope your day's doing well, Harry Pineapple. Yeah, if you're saying the algos are gonna like group up some buy orders and then kick in the FOMO, yeah, that's also another thing that could be going on. But hold on, as we speak, AMC is forming a beautiful cup and handle, so I wouldn't call this a clean rejection right here yet. If this handle comes down to about 25.50, that's no issue. You should see a rip from there. This is actually pretty beautiful, and I'm on the 1 minute candles here. Looking at from 11:30 Eastern Standard to now. We're on the handle right here, so we'll see what happens. It's looking beautiful. As a British gentleman, I have the opportunity to have maple candies, as I'm too busy sipping lovely Yorkshire tea. Dude, you want me to like ship you maple candies? I hope you like those. I really, anybody who doesn't like them, you probably are just bad with sweets. But amazing, absolutely amazing. For the 20 people hopping in, I appreciate everybody hopping in. If you haven't seen it, feel free to do so. We posted a video yesterday. It is the final exit strategy for AMC, and I tried to go over absolutely everything that I could for you to get your max profits out of AMC. So I hope you enjoyed that. It's a decent sized video. It's an 18-minute long video. I usually don't make videos that long, but I had to go over what I had to go over, especially for the final exit strategy video. GameStop. I don't think, all right, for everybody hopping in, I don't think AMC and GameStop have hit their peaks for the day. I really don't. So we're kind of just hanging back, chilling out, relaxing, and letting them do their thing. Mod says hit the like and subscribe. Yeah, if you want to. You don't have to hit the like, but it is all I ask for. It's free, whatever. You know the whole spiel. Let's check out Sundial. Is Sundial still moving? It's still red, but it did get a nice little pop. I wanted to watch... All right, Prague, okay? I'm pretty positive Prague's earnings are after hours. So you're seeing the sell-off here. Right now, it's below the 200 EMA. So it is currently in a downtrend. I think come earnings, if it gets an overreaction and sells off a bit heavy, I may take a position in Prague. But earlier in the day, I did grab a little bit of Sundial just for fun. Really not much. MULN green, but it looks like it's selling off here. Could be bottoming them out if it holds right here. $2.46, $2.47. Hopefully MULN will hold there. I personally think the algo will buy in higher due to the 20%, 22% of the mining company. This may give the valuation of AMC's price higher due to the ownership of precious metals. Yeah, I don't know. The whole play with HYMC, the whole play with AMC, I don't see it as fundamentals right now. It adds on, and it's beautiful to see, especially beautiful to see the company we love doing so good fundamentally. But right now, I think these runs are being caused by the market pump, right? Hitting 453.88, so the SPY is doing well. And then what happened when it hit that high was, I think, or getting close to it at least, when it broke over 449 high of 449, 450. When it broke over that, I think a firm got out. They got spooked, got out a bit too early, close to being margin calls. They wanted to further that because, again, bears, shorts, they want a bear market. They want the stock market to drop down. They don't want money to pour into. They want money to pour out of it because then money pours into their pockets. And once again, they get further from margin calls. AMC looks like it's trying to finish off this little handle here on this cup and handle. Let's see if we get another push. Let's see if we get another push because this is almost a picture perfect cup and a little bit of a handle. And right now, AMC's getting a little bit of a bounce here, trying to break over that 26. See, right now we're fighting at 26. The same way we fought at about 2150. So I think this is another key level here. What beats me is I thought we would have a little bit of an issue with 24, and we completely smashed through it and then just based. We just smashed through it and made a support. Completely disregarded any resistance for the entire day up to 2420, 2410. Completely disregarded any resistance up to there. So that's a beautiful thing to see. Let's check. Trey just tweeted. Let's see what Trey tweeted. Trey. What did you tweet, my guy? Okay. Oh, it's a monkey gif. All right. That's a beautiful thing to see. Just a little gif of a monkey. You know what? Let's show it. Why not? Let's show it because I think it deserves to be shown. Just a little monkey. He's happy. He's excited. He's excited. AMC's moving. Let's see. Live chat. Morning, man. I wanted to let you know I found your channel written on a bathroom stall, saying to come here and have a good time. And I gotta say, I'm not disappointed. Yeah, I appreciate it. That's dope. Not sure who wrote that, but listen, guys, if you want to get a Sharpie, actually no, I'm not gonna promote that. Never mind. Not gonna promote that. Brandon Munson. Yeah, I knew it. Yeah, Trey's tweet. That's you. Dude, that's sick that he tweeted. That is actually dope. Is that a double top on the 5-minute on AMC? Let's check it out. If you're talking about the resistance at about 26.15 on both sides, I wouldn't call this a double top if you're talking about that on the 5-minute. Overall, I think this is picture perfect cup and handle, and within the next 5 to 10 minutes, you should see a move to the upside. I wouldn't consider that a double top here. Just playing with you, man. Oh, you got me. We will ride today. Let's fucking go. Let's go. If you think we're gonna ride, drop a rocket. I know some people driving or at work. You don't have to. Okay, just listen in, whatever. But AMC is finishing off the handle on the cup and handle, and it's actually a picture perfect move. So I do think within the next 5 to 10 minutes, like I said, probably not going to spot it dead on, but probably like 5 minutes to 8 minutes right now, you should see a hefty move and break the highs of the day. Once we break the highs of the day, I'm calling out 2780, 2770, right in that zone to get a little bit of a cool down or a little bit of a rejection, but we'll see what happens. We will see what goes on here. How's the SPY doing? I know the SPY got smacked earlier. Wasn't there like, oh, let me stretch my neck. Wasn't there like something to do with Russia and poison? Something like that. But the SPY stomped me out, okay? I was trading, let's see, where was I? Believe I was trading the 3-minute, 13:48 in the morning, and I got hit a little bit, sold off of there. Let's see. Dino C in here. What's up, my man? If I drove by you, I would be like, what the fuck, dude's talking to himself. Honestly, it's pretty normal, okay? It's pretty normal. You know, yeah, no, I guess not. I guess not. You think it goes back down before closing? AMC or the SPY? Well, actually, AMC, no. I don't think it goes back down towards closing. If you're talking about closing red, absolutely not. No fucking way. Absolutely not closing red. That's what you're saying. UVXY on a discount today. Whoop, whoop. Let's check UVXY. Ooh, that is super low. Close to coming to the bottom here. Good luck on that. Let's see, AMC. AMC break out of this handle yet? Not yet, not quite. Is GameStop making any? GameStop kind of same thing. Cup and handle, not as beautiful as the AMC. I'm talking going back to 24.25. All right, let me tell you if I think that's going to happen. Oh. Well, I mean, we're still in the 25s. I think, yeah, if it does start bleeding, I think we're going to base out at 24 flat. And right now, it looks like we're going to close above 25.50 though. Just based off of where we touched. I think we closed 25.50 and up, but we'll see. All right, let's check chat real quick. Make sure once you go green, you can never go back. Listen, man, I don't know if you're referring to the White Chicks movie, but I'm not going to say it on here. But yeah, hopefully. With stocks, okay, AMC is getting a break out of the cup and handle like we said. Let's read this. Over 50% of the volume in the first 2 hours got directed to the dark pools. You can almost smell the desperate and hedgy sweating makes me feel all warm inside. Yeah, it does. Over 50% of the volume in the first 2 hours got directed to the dark pools. What is the dark pool volume traded? Are we shown that instantly? I don't know. Okay, apparently there's 500 shares available to borrow against AMC now, which is still jack shit nothing. Oh, and GameStop. It's weird that they both updated to 500, but we'll see. Absolutely. They're getting extremely desperate. You can just tell they're getting extremely desperate because this never looks like this, right? 0, 0, 0, 100,000, back to 200, 0, 500. It's drying up. It's drying up. And when it's completely dry and cost to borrow goes up and utilization is actually at 100%, you're going to see some serious moves here. Yeah, I've been saying this, but might as well show it. This is on the 1 minute chart, right? This basic breakdown, but this is the cup, and then you're getting the handle right here on AMC, and you're looking for a break at any moment right here. And it also looks picture perfect on the 5 minute as well. This is the 5 minute. Okay, so that's what we're working with right now. You got to break out of the flag, and overall, it's sort of making a cup and handle. Trying to get this. Also, this is the third touch on 26.25, and AMC is known for breaking on the fourth touch. Have you seen New York Angelo's video? He brings up an interesting point. I have not. No, I have not. Up 29% now, AMC. What was his point? Because you want me to? Yeah, we can actually check it out on stream if you want. No, it's 2:30 p.m. Eastern Standard. We have a half hour before power hour. Let's see what New York Angelo. New York Angelo. Was it the most previous video? AMC squeeze attention. Ooh, it's a 5 minute video. All right, we'll do a little bit of skimming. We'll do some skimming through right here. Okay.
What I currently don't like, something that is very sketchy. AMC hit $26 and saw a strong rejection. The current volume is 120 million and still counting. And AMC find this rejection when it hit 25% gains. But look what happened with GameStop. Only 9.7 million volume, and GameStop is up 13%. Double this volume. Give GameStop 18 million volume and double the gains of 26%. So essentially GameStop, could be at the same gains at 26% with only 18 million volume. But AMC at the same time with like 15x more volume, right? It could have kind of limitation of 25-26% gains. This is very, very sketchy, guys. Remember, over the weekend, I told you guys.
Right off the bat, I don't like it, the video, because we already went over this. By the way, AMC getting the break out of the cup and handle up 30%. But yeah, that I don't like. If you guys can understand, he's pretty much just saying how GameStop is only up 12 to 13% off of 9 million volume, low volume. AMC 10x the volume, whatever, is capping out at 25, which it's not. It's getting a break right now. But again, it doesn't matter. GameStop is known for having low volume. Not only that, but like we said before, you don't need high volume for shorts to cover. So the percentage gain really, it doesn't really impact too much if you're basing it off of volume and both of these aspects that come in. But it's not capping out at 26%. And also we know that utilization isn't truly 100% for AMC. So he's saying this is weird, it's sketchy, don't like it. Yeah, we know that behind the scenes, which is what I agree with him on. It's sketchy, and the reason we say that is because cost to borrow is not creeping up. So clearly utilization is not 100%. Clearly there's still shares available to borrow to attack AMC, and clearly that's probably what's happening here. But at the same time, right now, there would be absolutely no reason personally to go short on AMC unless you have huge amounts of capital in your account. Even still, then, it's a risky move to go short right now on a stock that's up 98%, 100% in the past 8 days, right? And heavy amount of gamma ramping, FOMO buying in, volume increasing in the right direction. There's really not really a reason to get in short on this. I don't really want to watch the rest of that video. No problem. Yeah, I would watch the rest of the video, but I don't know. I don't really want to see it personally. Let's see. Do you think? Oh, let me pop this back on here and lower it. Do you think Lou versus Wall Street is a shill to the extent of convincing people 1,000 or more per share isn't safe? I think I do. No, I don't, because I think everyone is going to have their own brackets or none at all. The thing is, what beats me is, like, a lot of people wonder, is Lou a shill? Is Lou not a shill? And where my conclusion comes in is I don't care. I really don't care, because I'm not basing any of my analysis or any time I sell or buy a stock off of Lou's opinion. Not a single percent. So I really personally don't care. And if you're on the fence about his brackets, then do what you will. But listen, people watch people that they agree with. That's just what it comes down to. AMC getting this breakout, a test on the resistance at 26.50 here. We'll see what happens. New high of the day, 26.49, currently up 29%. Let's see if GameStop's getting a move. Not quite yet. All right, let's see the live chat here. I don't like the fact that the dude is hot and cold all the damn time, plus he price anchors to your point. You also watch AMC Bigums. His recent video compares 08 housing to the securities market today. Pretty good vid. I haven't seen it. But if you guys haven't saw the AMC and the corrupt financial cycle on my channel, I think it's really interesting. Super interesting. That's pretty much all he brings up. Who, Lou? I can't wait until AMC is over 500 a share. Yeah, me too. I can't either. Now, there's no telling where it's going to go. And like I said, you're going to get hate for anything on social media, on YouTube, for your price targets, too low, too high. I don't know. I personally don't care. I really don't care. I'll say it out loud. I'll say it again. I think it'll go past 500. I know everyone gets so like butthurt. Touchy subject. You can't price things. Yeah, I know you can't price it. And I could be absolutely wrong. I'm just stating what I think. Stating how I think. So, AMC is kind of fighting right here, but it's not bleeding at all. So, it's looking good. If AMC needs to come back and base at 2560 to get another pop and a retest of that resistance, we're looking at 2623, 2625. 3 taps on it, got rejected all 3 times. You're looking for another break. I'm going to sell at 50% at 70 a share. Do you, man? At least you have a trading plan. That's what everybody should have. Did you see Review Dork calling out Trey's trades yesterday? No, what did he say? Was it on YouTube or was it on Twitter? Review Dork calling out Trey's trades. Sounds interesting. I want to dig into some of this stuff because we have about 24 minutes until power hour. All right, I'm checking Review Dork's Twitter. Let me know if okay, on Twitter. Let's see. Was it something bad? Let me see. Where is it? Oh, man. All right, he has a lot of tweets. I'm sorry. I'm trying to find this. Did he delete it? AMC calling out Trey. I don't see anything until the 24th. Let me search it. Let's see. See if Trey has anything about it because I can't see anything on Review Dork's profile. Let's see. Yesterday. Sounds interesting though. March 27th. Yeah, nothing for either of them. I think Review Dork maybe have deleted the thread here. See, I'm not going to lie. Once it hits 200, I have to test my sell button with about 100 shares. I need to make sure it works. LOL. Yeah, do you. Just have a trading plan. That's really it. Just have a trading plan. If you guys want the full exit strategy video, it's on the channel. It got posted yesterday, and it's also the final one I'm doing. Gives you the full breakdown on how to exit with max profits on AMC, and it's all in my opinion. Do you think we will be able to successfully cash out on AMC at 5K to 10K per share personally? I don't. The thing is, 5K, 10K, I don't know. I really don't know. And the reason I say I don't know is because I'm fine with saying that it'll go over 500 a share because I'm confident in that. And I could be completely wrong, 100%. But 5K, 10K is not about shorts covering FOMO, analysis data, or anything at that point. At that point, it's more about me trying to predict what the government is going to do. And I just can't do that. I don't know. So I'm sorry. I really don't know how to answer that. But I do have an in-depth bracket video, and it is possible. I don't want to say it's not possible. I just don't know what the government is going to do, if they're going to step in or not, because that is a high price for 4 to 6 million shareholders with X amount of shares, whatever. Yeah, that's really it. I'm going to let the other 50% ride until the end of time, though. Good choice. Good luck. Anyone who holds for very high numbers, good luck. Let me know how it works out, LMAO. Yeah, as for really high numbers, I've said this before, and I'll say it again. I'm going to be absolutely fucking wired. I'm gonna be wired, right? This is what's gonna be. I'm gonna have this. I'm gonna have a dozen donuts. I'm gonna have some energy drinks, some coffee, some water. Uh, I'll be on stream when AMC is squeezing, absolutely flying, getting halted. Just the whole insanity, right? I'm gonna be wired. I'm not gonna be blinking. I'll have clips on my eyes. Not really, but jumping into reality, I want to be that group. I want to be. If you want to be in the group with me, feel free to stay on the stream with me when AMC is squeezing. But I want to be in that small group for once. Who times the peak? That little top wick on the candlestick that hits fucking thousands, whatever. Everyone wants to be there, but I'm gonna be wired and on setup for it. So if you guys want to be there with me, feel free. I'll be absolutely probably days in. I'll be a little bit tired, but it's not gonna stop me. Not gonna stop me. Didn't wait over a year for me not to attempt to catch the peak. All right, AMC and GameStop both got a little bit smacked right here at the same exact time. The SPY's not getting smacked unless my thing's glitching. IWM not getting smacked. Okay, so this is an AMC and GameStop thing. Is it a small sector thing, though? Let's see what Sundial's doing. Not getting smacked at the same time. Okay, it looks like they are just taking a little bit of a cool down. Personalized cool down here. For everybody popping in, if you want to hit the like, feel free to do so. Let's see. If it breaks 80, I'm going to skip school and sit as long as you. Listen, I'm not going to tell you to skip or to go to school, whatever. Do what you want to do, my man, and we'll be here. All right, we will be here. That's interesting though. Do you have you got friends that you put on to AMC, friends, family? Because I know I have about excluding YouTube audience, I have about between 10 and 20 people who want to know when I'm selling. And the fact that I'll be on stream, you'll see it. But the other 20 people are going to be constantly calling, and it's just going to be tough, okay? Got some people riding with me on this. All right, AMC now 0 shares available to borrow. Oh wait, hold on, was this? Oh, okay. Now this is odd, right? GameStop just got 95,000 shares available to borrow from 0, okay? 0 to 500 to 0 to 95,000. Now AMC is at 0 still currently. This is just what we're shown, what's reported to us. But it's a bit odd here. Even if they have shares available to borrow, I don't know why they would use these to short. I think if anything, it just leaves more buying room for people to buy. Now, there's a lot going on with direct registering your shares, DRSing your shares, and that is because people want to go through that process and know that they legally own them. The thing with DRSing your shares is it adds a little bit of spice to when you sell. And I don't want to take the risk factor. I've already emailed my brokers and made sure I own these shares. Nothing looks wrong with my positions, whatever. So if they attempt to screw me out of my shares, then they're going to have a big problem here. Amy needs a little rest. Yeah, AMC's taking a little bit of a rest here at 2607. It's moving up and down. Looks like volume's doing decent, popping up and down here. But as long as we base and get another rip, should be solid. Should absolutely be solid here. You got your dad onto AMC. That's dope. Good shit. I wonder when we get to vote on our shares again, and if it will include anything that is interesting or could affect price. Are you talking about share recall? Because that's funny you say so. There's a link in the description. I made a petition to get a share recall going for AMC. I don't know. I actually haven't checked it. I don't know if it got signatures, if it gained traction. I don't know if it's a good, healthy thing, but personally, I don't see how it could hurt the community, because we had one right before that May run up, like literally days before, and it started flying because, of course, the shares on loan are being recalled. Um, I think we deserve another one, but it's weird because I've reached out to several content creators. I won't name them on here, but no one wanted to share the voice of getting a share recall signed, and it's just a little odd. But the link is down below if you do want to sign it. If you're an ape, you want to sign it and get that going. So I'm going to check. Let's check how many people actually have signed the petition for the share recall. Okay. Is this... What the... Alright. Guys. The petition... Okay, the link in the description for the petition is broken again. It's taking you to Discord. Taking people to Discord. What? I don't know why it's doing that. Let me fix this once again. Jeez, this is bothering me. I wonder why, if there's not a lot of signatures, because the link doesn't work. That may be why. People don't want to go manually search this. Okay, I found it here. I'm gonna get the actual link. It looks like 368 people have signed it. Let's see. Let's edit this. We're gonna have to edit the link down here. So if you guys want to, not even if you want to in this stream, but I have to fix it for upcoming videos as well. Signed petition. Let me switch this link here because this is absolutely the wrong link. It's taking you to a blank Discord page. Not even a cool Discord page. Literally a blank one. Okay. All right. Save. Now that should be the correct link if you want to sign the petition. You may or may not have to refresh the stream. That's up there now. Let's see. Oh, shit, my neck here. All right. I have AMC spread out through 5 different brokers. They might be hesitant to release funds if it goes to insane levels. Yeah, that's one thing I'm scared of too. Teddy Zane posted a video saying RSI says to sell. Oh my god. Okay. I don't know. So many of these random... It's always... I swear, on stream or on comments anywhere, I swear it's always controversy about Lou versus Wall Street or Teddy Zane. That's what I get. Teddy Zane, Lou versus Wall Street said this, that. And all I ever hear is it worrying people. And guys, I'm sorry, but if you're getting stress put on you with no facts shown, it may be a time to lay off the videos. Lay off those videos. I don't know. I'm just saying. But I think a whole lot of the trust me bros, it gets super annoying at some points. AMC up 28%. Let's see. I've heard of Teddy Zane multiple times by now. He's been wrong every time, LMAO. That's, right or wrong, I don't know. I get warning people of something that could potentially happen, but scaring the shit out of people just seems a little bit odd, especially how pushy some of the videos are. I don't know. Like, scaring the absolute shit out of somebody into wanting to sell at a certain price or certain level, chances are they don't even own the stock in general. That's just the way I'll put it. Because if they're gonna scare people that much, why would they be worried themselves? Why would they be still holding? You could go on a constant loop, but we're just not gonna talk about that. I don't know. Matt Kors, Trace Trades, TMI, Short the VIX. There's Lou, Teddy Zane, Playbro. I don't see I don't see like the main like Trace Trades, Matt Kors, Clay Bro. I don't see them. I don't see them addressing Teddy's videos or Lou's videos for that reason, right? For the trust me, bro reason. And it's been like this for months where it's freaking people out what they're saying in their videos. And we're still here. We're up 100% in the past 8 days. I would just chill. I would use that time instead of those videos personally to educate yourself on the market. Maybe some options or good trading strategies, etc. Let's see. Almost 30 likes on the stream. That's a beautiful thing to see. We're just hopping in, hanging out. And this is beautiful. We have 10 minutes until power hour. AMC, GameStop, 90,000 shares available to borrow now. It was 95. And we're still getting a nice big pop here. Nice big green candle. What happened to Blue Ice? I don't even know. I don't know anything about who that is, or I don't know. Isn't that like I know that Lou brings him up. Blue Ice, some shit. Again, another person with controversy, I think. Made the mistake of once listening to Xenia. I don't want to learn. I'm trying to cash out and eat some non-supermarket sushi for once. Listen, I know some people may not want to learn. They just want to cash out and dip. But it doesn't matter how much you make on the play. It's about what you do with it after. And I think that money management is extremely important to know by the time this play is over. Because you're going to build wealth consistently, okay? Especially if you get a base to start with. My calls are up. I'm wondering, should I sell a few? I have 7. On AMC? And what expiration? I can't tell you when or what you should do, but I'd tell you what I'd do. So, I now owe the IRS $10,000, and I'm going to pay short-term capital gains this year for AMC. Sheesh, what the fuck? What do you owe them $10,000 for? Will you sell puts on the way down? It depends on when I get out at. Yeah, I think I'll grab puts on the way down, but the thing is, it's almost gonna be non-substantial, right? The amount I make off of this play is being spread out into safe spots. I'll buy probably 1 to 10 contracts for puts, but that won't be like a substantial amount of money. I think that's going to be money that I will not even remember I did anything with. I won't even remember I had that money. So I'm going to grab some puts on the way down, my plan personally, but nothing substantial. Nothing substantial, no. I don't even know if you'll get filled, to be honest, for puts on the way down, because that's what is going to be tons of people. That's the thing. It's especially with retail, right? Because not a lot of brokers allow retail to short, but retail can buy puts. So the amount of money being made on the upside, absolutely nuts, right? But the amount of money going to be made on the downside as well, absolutely nuts. I don't know how they're going to be able to control, do what they got to do. And I have no clue how they're going to do it. Really beyond me. I don't know. Really beyond me. Glad to see about half my AMC bag is in long-term capital gains now. Good stuff. Yeah, mine's all. Well, actually, the majority is on long-term cap gains already because I bought back in February. But I did add to my position on different brokers. So those are in short term right now. Let's see. May, June, July, August. I got 3 puts. Whoa. 3 puts. See, now I'm confused. All right, so you had 7 calls. They expire May, June, July, August, right? And then the separate conversation is I got 3 puts. Just let me know. Let me know. Give me a full message as to what you're saying here. Mike Arnold says, I took Teddy Zane, not financial advice, and day traded my 1,800 AMC shares last year around August. Nice, man. Nice. Did you make money, lose money? I personally haven't day traded AMC, and I don't plan on it. It's not worth it for me when there's several other plays on the sidelines. And that entire time, I would never know. You never knew was in my head, is AMC going to rip tomorrow? So that's why I never day traded it. But it is what it is, boy. Let's see what Sundial's doing. Sundial trying to hang on here. Mullen hanging out. Prague still getting beat down. Prague is holding up, but believe earnings are after hours. I don't know if they're going to do good, to be honest. Yeah, I'm not sure if they're going to do good. Let's see, on the 2 hour. Okay, on the... Okay. Yeah, Prague bounced right off of the 200 EMA on the 30-minute. Not doing too nice, though, on the 15 and less. All right. Oh, that's what you owe. The day trading now cost me $10,000 to the IRS in about a week. Oh, my God. So you took Teddy Zane's non-financial advice to day trade your 1,800 AMC shares last August. Chances are, okay, so you were day trading on margin, got obliterated, and now you owe. Jeez, that is not a good situation. But good luck. I hope you do make your money back on here. Plus some, plus what? Oh, AMC getting a breakout. Finally, 2680, new high of the day. This is what we were waiting for. Exactly what we're waiting for. Broke previous resistance. We're going to see if this is a clean breakout or not. We want to see volume pick up here. And I do believe you're going to go up another dollar. 2780. Between 2770 2780. I want to see what happens here. AMC's up about 32% on the day. Yes, I bought 3 puts. Also, AMC to leverage my positions. My puts expired June, July. Those puts are probably not doing too well. But if this flies up, comes down... actually, I personally don't think it would be a good idea to grab puts right now. Yeah, I don't think so. Unless you're collecting premium. But you said you bought puts, so I don't know. I can't speak on the put side of things, but as for calls, if you have at least late April expiration, personally, if I was holding them, I wouldn't sell. Because I think this has a lot more room to run this entire week. That's the way I see it. If Monday today is as dry as a fucking desert, with shares available to borrow, cost to borrow creeping up, utilization at 100%, up 33% on the day, you could just imagine what Tuesday through Friday would be like. Absolutely obliterating the market. AMC currently up 33%. GameStop not moving. Hopefully it follows though. 26.94 for AMC, almost 27. I think when we break over 27, this will be a clean break from this resistance, and you should see it take a ride, take a nice cruise all the way up to 27.80. That's what I'm waiting for. 23 people popping back in. As soon as AMC gets a pop, you just see people jump in. Like, what's going on? For all the audio listeners, AMC hit a high of 26.94. It's cooling off a very, very tiny bit here at 26.78. Up 32% on the day. And as for GameStop, up 15.47% on the day, trading at 175.45. That is the new high of the day for GameStop, as well as 176.57. For GameStop, you have about, let me check this out here. For GameStop, you have 23,000 calls expiring in the money right now. And for AMC, shorts are getting obliterated with this gamma ramp that goes on. It's going to continue going on. 92,888 calls expiring in the money for AMC. That is the update for the audio listeners. AMC flagging out a bit here. Looks like it wants to get another push. Okay. Day trading now. Owing the IRS is a good thing. Retail is killing the shorts. Yeah. owing the IRS back then, say, I don't know what time frame, but the example I'm trying to give is the more debt you get into, okay, people think of debt always as a long time. By the way, yes, that comment got me. It is now power hour. Okay, a lot of people think debt is a bad thing. It's a terrible thing. It's a bad money-making strategy. And personally, I don't like it. But there is a good way to use debt on your side to make more money. And the reason I say that is because if you use debt for certain things, let's give an example, right? The housing market rising in value while the dollar value decreasing at the same time. So what happens here is if you use some debt, right, to grab a liability or asset, whatever it is, such as a house, okay, or even Bitcoin, right? Completely different scenarios, but as time goes on, if you're right and the dollar loses value, in theory, you owe less money. You made money off of that debt. Okay, that's in theory. So you can learn how to use debt for yourself. It's not always a bad thing, depending on how you do it. So I just want to give you, there's always a brighter side to things. So even debt. AMC flagging out here. I wouldn't be surprised if we come back down to 26.45 and get a nasty pop off it, or if it doesn't even want to cool down that far. We'll see. How's GameStop doing? GameStop, same thing as AMC. How are these candles doing with their volume here? All right. Yeah, on that move up to 26.94, you saw volume pick up 1.265 million in a single candle. Now you're seeing it creep down. Yeah, creep down to here. This is all right. There's a little bit of some weird things going on here, because if you take a look at the volume, this is super weird, because if you take a look at the volume on 1 minute candles, you're going to see that at this little hammer candle, 2:51 p.m. Eastern Standard, there was only 10,000 volume on the candle, and it's almost completely nothing for AMC. Super weird. I don't know. We'll look into it, but let's see. It hurts because I would qualify for long-term gains now. When this pops, I will owe short-term. Whatever. As long as you're making money and you know what to do with it after, it doesn't matter. You got to look on the bright side. I bought a GME call to make my gas and lunch money for the week. LOL. Yeah, good. You're making a bit more than that. I mean, depending on the gas prices. But you're making a bit more than that. Lunch money for the fucking year. I bought my shares for February for like $5 a share. Damn, that's a good time to get in. It's over. Get out now. Kenny told me to tell you. Holy shit. You tell me that, and then AMC gets absolutely smacked with a candle. This is where we want it to base at, right where I said. If it came down, like I said, to 26.40, 26.45 and got a pop, and look what's happening. Hopefully we hold it. If we don't hold it, this will be interesting. Now, keep in mind, AMC has had 0 shares available to borrow, apparently, right? And you're getting this huge sell-off here. Let's see how the RSI is completely evened out. It was a little bit overbought when we were up there, but maybe it's just cooling off. It could be taking a bit of a breather here. All right, let's take these Bollinger Bands off, this volume off. Let's take a look here. Yeah, it's basing perfectly fine. Back to that. Kenny told you to tell me to get out. You know what? You know what, Kenny? Ask him. Ask him if he remembers what I told his wife. Ask him if he remembers. All right, no, for real though. For all the audio people up here, AMC is still holding above 30% on the day. Absolutely nothing to worry about. We got a little bit of a smack, not much. It's just letting the RSI cool off, and we're basing back off the previous highs, previous resistance, and hopefully we get a bounce from here. Guys, let me know if the music is too high, too low. Shots fired. Shots fired, baby. Yeah. Oh, yeah. You know what's gonna be, oh, man. Oh, man. Yeah, I don't know. While we're just waiting for AMC to get a nice little pop, we just started Power Hour, but, you guys think that Will Smith thing was set up? Drop a comment below, because it's interesting. If you haven't seen it, which you're either at work or you're literally sleepwalking, Will Smith slapped Chris Rock after he said something, insulted his wife because she has a medical condition. Will Smith smacked up there, slapped the shit out of him across the face, and then said, "Keep my wife's name out your fucking mouth," a couple times, and then, yeah. So, if you think that was set up, let me know in the comments. I'm kind of on the fence here, but chances are it was probably set up. Also, markets for AMC and GameStop. AMC is up 31%. We taking a little bit of a breather here, trying to get moving. See if there's anything new here on Twitter. Trey says it's time to stop holding puts in this market. Trey's expecting a nice little bull rally to come. Oh, and I guess he was right. Damn, if I held those fucking calls, from early this morning, damn. Shit happens. I know that my AMC, the old one I had, is doing pretty decent here. SPY is cranking 454.47, new high of the day. You should see this money or this move transfer over into AMC and GameStop either Power Hour or after hours. There could be a gap here between the... So what I think this run is in the past 8-9 days is smaller firms getting out because money's pumping back into the market. And the more money that pumps back into the market and the more smaller firms that get out of here, I do think you're going to have the medium-sized firms start covering. And then, again, depending on the time they do it, hopefully no one's in here that's short AMC, but depending on the time they do it, right? If they time it right, which is going to be almost impossible, they could avoid this gamma. No, they can't, because if there's really no shares available to borrow, which I don't know, but if we're going to speak off of what's reported to us, they can't really time this right for between a smaller firm covering, forcing a medium-sized firm to cover. As money is completely flowing into the market, they're getting closer and closer to margin, end up covering. Covering is going to push more calls in the money, getting the gamma ramp to push even further and further, eventually leading up to the bigger players, such as Citadel, whoever else is short this. If I was Melvin Capital, I would not short GameStop or AMC because that thing got absolutely obliterated. Before, if I was those motherfuckers, I'd be grabbing calls on these bad boys. I'd be grabbing some calls here. All right, AMC GameStop still hanging around. 30 likes on the stream. I appreciate everybody who smashed the like button here. Everybody tuning in. There's no way someone can expect a bitch a slap and not even flinch a tiny bit. About it. My students was talking about it. Yeah, you're saying no one can not flinch from getting smacked? I don't know, because it's tough to say because he's a comedian, right? So Will Smith walks up and immediately he's thinking, I'm up here, I'm doing a show, whatever. I gotta make whatever's coming at me funny. He's in the joking spirit. He just gets smacked, and then I don't know. I don't know. I don't fucking know. But if I was Will Smith, I would have slapped the shit out of him too, to be honest. Why not? We already went over the whole situation as to, yeah, let's just get out of that. Is there any other news or controversy going on, or any YouTubers pulling a pipe out of their ass and saying fucking listen, guys, if you have any conspiracy theorists, YouTube videos, YouTubers, drop them right here. We can react while we wait. But AMC is pushing. It's hanging around, but I do expect it to push. I don't think this is the peak. It's getting a nice little pop here. See if this breaks over 26.94. I'm going to find out right now. Let me also bring up the volume here. Okay. Picking up a little. Okay. Just got a nice 820,000 candle. All right. Based off of the volume right here, should see this candle get a little bit more volume as well. And get a nice little push. It's tough to tell, though. Tough to tell. All right. RSI is not overbought yet. I think this thing has got some room to break out of that, out of this zone here. Check the live chat. Heard about it. My students were talking about it. Yeah. Honestly, I didn't hear anybody talking about it since I woke up. Let's see. Trey's tweet. What did Trey tweet? 2720 is the number, says Trey. Is that the closing price he's saying? I'm gonna say 2780. I'm gonna reply to him, see what happens. All right, 2720. Let's see what he's looking at here. Whoa! Oh shit, I thought my thing just glitched. Never mind. Sorry to spook you. I just got a glitch. All right, let's see what 2720, what he's looking at here. Okay, yeah, he's looking at kind of the same resistance I was looking at, except those are the wicks for it. I think it's going to come back all the way up to the actually solid closing price or solid candle between 2760 and 2780. So we'll see what happens there. We will see. AMC going for this push as we speak. Might as well show you what's going on here. See what we can do here. Do it. And new highs on the day. Come on, I'm ready to say it. I know as soon as I flip this camera back around, the thing's gonna stop. There we go. 20s. Oh, there we go. You're watching it fucking live here. I hope you get this thing screen recorded. If this thing starts absolutely moving. 2717 is the high of the day today, guys. You should see a push beyond that. That is personally not the peak. And you're gonna see it right now. 2717, 2718 high of the day. Let's see. I see $30 after hours. I see 30 before after hours. No, actually though, realistically, no, I agree. But as you guys can see, absolutely taking a push right here. So it's beautiful to see 27. I'm not even going to keep up with speaking it. It's just going up penny. 27, 33, 34, a high of the day on AMC stock. What a beautiful thing to see. 27.40. All right, we already blown past trades 27.20. I'm calling 27.60 between that and 27.80 for a little bit of resistance here. Get a little bit of a smack. We're hanging around right around that zone either way. If AMC were to absolutely crush this resistance without seeing any, to get out of this, you're looking for a break over 32.50 to get out of this resistance. And from there on out, you're getting a free ride. Okay, up to 36. 27.50, new high of the day for AMC. For all the audio listeners, up 35%. We're going to take a look over at GameStop, see if he's doing anything. Jimmy is not actually getting the move as GameStop is seeing, and chances are that is because there's 95,000 shares available to borrow against it, reported, as AMC is at 0 shares available to borrow, reported. Now, everything's a bit fishy. Also, it is a bit fishy that my Weeble just glitched again and said 27.50, but it's actually saying 27.49 here. It also glitched a second ago when I freaked out on stream. It said 29.80 or something crazy, so I freaked out. But I don't know. I don't know what's going on. Either way, new high on AMC. We're going to fucking enjoy it. Beautiful day. I just deposited 50 more. Facts. And okay, 27.55, high of the day. What are you gonna drop $50 into? You're gonna drop it into AMC, Sundial. If I only had 50 to use, which would be a good thing to think about, if I only had $50, I'd probably YOLO some dirty I'd probably YOLO some Sundial calls with like at least 30-day expiration and just hope I make some profit out of that personally, because not much to do with 50, but definitely can build your way fast. And I know that's not all you got, but I was just thinking, like, what would I do? AMC is just not taking me cool off. AMC 5 times leverage, easy, good shit, Munson. Is anybody holding calls on AMC or GameStop? AMC cooling off a bit here. You should see a move in a minute. 35% on the day. All right, let's see where history is coming in, repeating itself. We're gonna take a look here on the daily and see. Okay, AMC. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 days ago. From 10 days ago to now, in the past 10 days, AMC is up 111%. Now, if you take what happened in May, let me X this out. If you take what happened in May, let's grab the low like we did here. Bring it up to here. This would have been a, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You're looking at between a 100 and a 120% gain back in May around the same exact move to the upside. Like we said in the past, history repeats itself, and there's not much more you could ask for. AMC currently at 27.72, new high of the day, up 36%. Just about up 37%. This is right around the spot where I said we will see some resistance incoming, 27.80, somewhere in this zone, and we're going to see what happens. Are we going to get smacked? Or are we going to break right through it and go above 32 before after hours? Now, this is a disgusting power hour. 18 minutes in, and I'm as happy as can be, right? Absolutely smashing it. 27.76 for AMC. Yeah. You got $22 calls printing right now. I grabbed a call like months ago, and it's up nice. I'm not gonna lie. AMC is breaking 27 because I just bought. Dude, can you buy again? What the fuck, dude? No way. See, if I bought, they'd stuff my shit in a dark pool and drop AMC to 10. No, but good shit. I'm about to be rich, bitch. Hello. Yeah, facts. Let's get it. What are you guys buying after this, bro? All right. 27.78. It's time to get fucking real because AMC isn't cooling off. Okay, now it's time to get real. Let's see if this bad boy is gonna get moving or see some resistance here. Adam says 28 soon. Your call up 276%. Ooh, now that's a beautiful thing to see. Let's see. See here. Whoo-wee. Yeah, my call for AMC is up 312%. Beautiful thing to see. Absolutely beautiful thing to see. Couldn't ask for more. Really couldn't ask for more. But I tell you what I can ask for is not selling that, because I do think you have some 100%er days coming up very, very soon. We'll see. Guess we will see here. Okay, my Weeble just logged me out here. Let me get back in here so I can actually check the price action. 22 people popping in. We have 31 likes on the stream. Beautiful day, beautiful power hour. AMC is continuing to push. For all the audio listeners, AMC is up 36% on the day with a high of 27.78, currently trading at 27.68, 10 cents below the high. And as for GameStop, it is up 16.5%, high of the day 177.99, currently trading at 177.12. Okay, that is for the audio people driving, working, whatever you may be doing, or you're at work, or you're driving, looking at the phone, which looking at your computer, whatever. I don't suggest you do, especially if you're driving, guys. Don't do that. All right, let's see. AMC cooling off. This is exactly where we said we would see some resistance. Yeah, whoa. All right, G-Wagon, 2 houses. Damn. Fuck, you gonna rent out 2 houses? Yeah, I don't know. I think G-Wagons are a little overpriced because they look like a fucking Jeep. But they are really nice. I'm not gonna lie, they are really nice. But for the price, I would not do it. Yes, I have some June calls. Also, I got last year alive again. Also, it depends what color G-Wagon you're getting. I want to know what color you're gonna buy, because that's gonna play a big factor. Yes, I have some June calls. Also, I got last year alive again. That is a beautiful thing to see. I have to sip on some pure white Hennessy. Let's keep it, yeah, you know what? This stream isn't PG already, because, I mean, how are you supposed to not flip out when AMC is absolutely fucking flying? Absolutely fucking flying. It's not even taken, like, this isn't even a serious cooldown. It's, like, completely chopping sideways at an incline, not even taking a little bit of cool off, and I do think, I think you're going to get another move here. You're at resistance we were calling out. You're literally sitting exactly where we said. This is exactly the resistance we were looking at. Let me bring up the drawing. Let me add one here. Boom. Exactly. And people say TA doesn't work. I mean, let's be real here, okay? Let's be real. Absolutely sitting there. This music is... Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Come on, baby. Let me get to the 1 minute chart. AMC just broke 28, up 39% on the day. 28.28, new highs of the day, 28.29. All right. We got to flip the screen back around because I don't know how long this thing's going to fucking move for. Yeah. Yep. For all the audio listeners, I kind of want to wait. I want to wait for AMC to break 40%, and then we're going to get cracking here. Come on, baby. 28.31. This resistance didn't do anything. And I don't know if this is going to be a false move past it, but the resistance was not there. And I was just saying how good TA was. Yeah, shorts covering has nothing to do with it. Let's go. Drop some fucking rockets, guys. Drop some rockets for AMC to get over 40%. AMC just broke over 40%. Highs of the day, $28.35 for all audio listeners here. Currently trading at $28.30. As for GameStop broke 17% on the day. It still has its highs of $177.99, not really moving. Chances are it's going to follow AMC, but there are shares available to borrow that are reported. 95,000 on GameStop and none on AMC. So that is ultimately what you're seeing right here. They're trying to hold GameStop back. See, now there's 90,000 shares available to borrow. AMC broke 40% on the day. I I'm speechless. I'm speechless. Everybody for the past year, whenever you got in, right, whatever time you got in, this is what you've been waiting for, and I do think this is it. How could I come here and say I don't think anyone? All right, I get it, right? We've been fucked over plenty of times over the past year. Over the past year, we've been absolutely fucked over. But for anyone to come out here off of 110% gain in 10 days and tell you nothing's happening, that this is going to get shot down in tomorrow, are absolutely fucking shills, and they probably sold the stock. So turn those fucking videos off, turn those tweets off. It's absolute bullshit. We're up 110% in 10 days. There's nothing else to say. AMC hit a high of $28.40, and it's taking a small breather here. Small breather. GameStop is prepping for its rip right now. It is now getting ready to go and follow AMC. GameStop new highs on the day, 179.50. GameStop is going to attempt to break 80 here. AMC is ultimately not even taking as long of a cool off as you'd expect, right? It's overbought on the RSI, okay? It's over the 70, heavily overbought. And I think it's just going to come in and bounce again, okay? It's cooling off a bit. Hopefully you get a bounce off of this $27.60 level, $27.65. Right now it's cooling off. That's fine. It's at $27.95. It can drop a nice 20 to 30 cents before we see a little bit of a bounce. Okay, that's what I'm looking at. As it cool offs, everybody take a little breather here. That's it. That's it. It's a great day. Everyone's going crazy in the chat. Holy shit. All right. Went to take a shit, made 10%. Come on, man. Come on, dog. All right. Somebody go check on Teddy Zane. Yeah, poor guy. Poor guy, man. Oh, it's fucking hilarious. Oh, man. All right. Do you expect any days to be red before the squeeze happens? Yeah, I do. I think, I don't think you're going to lose percentage gains, but I do expect red for a day or two. And what I mean by that is, all right, let's say we're up 37% today, right? Let's say we just closed, and tomorrow is going to be our red day. What I think is tomorrow you see it rise 30 to 40%, anywhere, honestly, 10 to 20 to 30 to 40%, right? And by the end of day, it comes back down and closes, or same thing if it rose 10 to 20% in pre-market tomorrow morning and then closed about 1% under that, you would see it on the daily as a red day. That's what you would see. And let's see, I think I could pull up an example here of what I'm trying to say. Let me remove my drawings here really quick. Okay, that's not it. I don't know what the fuck I just pressed. All right, hide drawings. I'm going to pull up an example for you. This is exactly what I mean, okay, on the run up to 70 for the one who asked that question. Okay, that red day right there. You see how it gained, it top wicked very high up. It got a huge gain, but it closed red. So that's really what a red day would look like, and that's, in my opinion, I don't think you're going to lose those percentage gains, but that's what I think the red day you will have is some type of cool down. It could not happen, right? It could definitely not happen, because, I mean, this has never happened before. This hasn't happened. You can say history is repeating itself, but it's not exact. And the reason I say that is because GameStop is on its 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10th consecutive green day in a row. It has never had an 8 consecutive green day in a row, let alone maybe 7, right? Or at least over the past 365 trading days. Okay? So it hasn't happened. You can say history is repeating itself, which I do agree with, but to an extent. AMC got a little bit of a cool off. Looks like it's getting ready for a run. This is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Always got to stay hydrated. Make sure you guys are drinking water, because water's the way to go. And if you're going to cheat, grab a vitamin water. Don't grab some soda, you know. Looks like American Vital Cloud Technologies, AVCT, is blowing up. Is this a bot in here? That looks like a bot comment, but let me see. Yeah, it's not really blowing up. It's up 10% on the day. It is moving, don't get me wrong. So if you guys want to keep an eye on that, AVCT, okay. I don't know if that was a bot comment or not, but I'll tell you what's blowing up fucking 4x that in the same day is AMC, baby. That's what we're looking at here. That is what we're looking at. Go AMC, let me say it louder for the business in the back. Oh shit. Alright. AMC's cooling off. Cooling off a bit. Half hour of power hour left. We are 30 minutes in to power hour. Currently have been on the stream for about an hour. And how long have we been on the stream? An hour and 40 minutes? Something like that. Boom, 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 boom. AMC is about to push for a new high. You guys can see it right here. Let's watch it together. Let's watch it together. Is it ready yet? Maybe it's not ready yet. Maybe she's not ready yet. Don't worry, we'll watch it together. Yeah, I plan on definitely grab your popcorn because we're gonna watch it. You think it rises during off hours? Oh, yo, drop rocket. Yeah, let's go. Drop some rockets and apes in the chat. Do I think it goes up after hours? It's hard. All right, it's tough to tell because there's a fine line, right? It's easier for shorts to get out with high volume, and after hours is not really any volume, but shorts do get out in after hours, and the reason I say that is because a 40% day could be too much on their position. Okay, AMC, we're going to take the second attempt on moving, but what I mean by that is if it starts moving after hours, chances are it's not because they don't want to get out with no volume. It's going to make the stock move higher faster. But chances are it's going to be because they're too close to margin. Which this today after hours, I do think personally it's going to move. SPY hit a new high, new day high of 454.73 just now. And AMC up 40% on the day. I do think there's problems here. I think shorts are having some fucking issues. They're going to have super bad problems, okay? Money is being pumped into the market. Chances are all of their positions are decreasing in value, and the margin calls are probably getting kicked in right here. And this is the third time we are looking at it. Fucking don't get rejected again, baby. We want to watch this together. I don't want to miss it. I want you to watch this baby break out with me and make a new high for the day. Currently 28.40. Oh, you're gonna see it. I'm gonna flip this around at the right time. Promise you, and you're gonna watch this together with me. We are going to watch this thing flip on a dime. Okay, 28.40 is the high of the day. See if this candle's the one that does it. It's not looking like it. It's not looking like it here. Maybe a little bit of a cool off. How's the RSI doing? RSI is a little bit over. It's kind of overbought, but I think it still has room for a nice little pop here. But listen, the more we cool off, the more of a bounce. So it is what it is. We're going to see. We're going to watch it together as soon as it starts moving. Everyone's dropping rockets for AMC, GameStop. Let's go. Let's get this thing moving. The more rockets you drop, the more this thing wants to move. It's just the facts of it. GameStop hit a high of 180 flat. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful thing to see. And it's a beautiful day in the neighborhood because we're up 39%. And there's nothing more you could ask for. People are printing. People are absolutely printing. And there are people that are crying, but they sold, they sold at 12 bucks. Oh, fuck, don't miss it. Fuck, don't miss it. My Weeble just likes to fake me out, and we're going to witness this together. I'm not going to miss it. I'm not going to miss it here. This is another attempt. We got to cool off. I want you guys to see the new day highs with me. I know the laptop's a bit dirty. We'll get to that. We'll get to that, but, you know, time is money. I'd rather be watching AMC. I'd rather be watching AMC make some new highs. Come on, baby. You're right there. She's right there. Oh my gosh, don't make me wait again. Don't make me wait again. Sorry guys. I'm being faked out just like I'm faking you out. Okay? I'm not trying to. I'm not trying to fake you out here. It is what it is, man. It's flickering like tens of 20s of cents so fast. Let's see what the volume is on the day. Daily volume 194 million for AMC. Let's get into the 200 million for end of day. This is gonna be beautiful. If we hit 200 million plus in volume for AMC, it's gonna be, yeah, I guess there's no other word but epic. It's gonna keep the ball rolling. Volume increasing in the right direction with gamma. It's like a big ass. It's like a fucking snowball rolling down Mount Everest. That's what's gonna happen. And there's just Ken Griffin at the bottom with his pants down. And this is what's happening. You're witnessing it live here, folks. You are witnessing it live. And I think tonight's update video is gonna be absolutely amazing. I think it's gonna be beautiful because I'm gonna do some TA, do some digging, probably just put out basics, maybe 2 to 4 minute video. It shouldn't be long because I just had an 18-minute video yesterday of the exit strategy, the final one if you haven't seen that. Dino dropping rockets and Moon. Yeah, exactly what the stream was labeled when we were up 25%. We hopped on the stream up about 23 to 25%, right? Somewhere in that zone. And the stream is called Moon Mission for a reason. Okay, we're up. We went up 40%. This is a Moon Mission, and not only that, you're literally sitting in a major level. You're sitting in an insanely key level from $32.40 down to $27.70. That $5 level you're sitting in right now, and you're sitting at the beginning of it. So this could be a tight move all the way up there. This could be a rougher move, a rougher patch. But the fact that we're in the zone before after hours is a beautiful thing to see. I don't think they want us to close over here. Okay, I don't think they want us to close above 27.70 because it's gonna mean a lot. AMC is getting a little bit of a smack here. If we base out at 27.50, this is a good thing to see. You could see a bounce. If we break below, we break below. We'll see what happens. Come on, baby. The faith I have that in the next few days, the next week, is hilarious. Kenny Griffin hiding in a corner right now, LOL. Oh, yeah. Ken Griffin's getting his ass whooped with a belt by whoever. You can pick whoever that is. I'll volunteer. Eat crow, Kenny. 29, baby. We're going for that move. AMC got a little bit of a cooldown, and she's trying to hang on to this level. She doesn't even want to cool down back to where I said. This thing is like a fucking fireball. Big old hot tamale coming in. The volume on this 1 minute candle is insane. Almost 1.8 million volume. Let's see. You can see volumes picking up right here. Volumes picking up identical to the way the stock moves. And this is FOMO. This is clear as day FOMO for you. You see that? That's the volume. So you see it picks up and curls down at the same exact time. And as for the cup and handle scenario, you had the cup, and then I guess one of these you can call the handle, and then you had the rip. Yeah. I don't know how perfect it is, but it looks like AMC is going to attempt to push a new high within the next couple of minutes here. It's currently at $28.40. And I think you're about to witness it live. With me right here. 28.40. Let's get that move over 28.40. Make new highs on the day. I want everybody to see it together. Let's see what happens here. Come on, man. It's got to do it. It's got to do it in the next couple seconds. See how the hammer candles give it a little bit of a spring? Those are what we love to see. That is absolutely what we love to see. Okay, the little hammer candle, give it a little bit of a spring action and then move up. That's what you like to see on the daily chart as well. Okay, those are healthy. And if this thing goes for a little red candle, we're gonna flip the camera back around. But I do think it does have a. I do think it's gonna push here. That's why I don't want to catch it off guard, right? Because it's gonna be whippy on me. It's gonna whipsaw, and then I'm gonna miss it. We're gonna miss it together. We're gonna watch it together. We're gonna fucking watch it together. Oh, God damn it, bitch! Oh, stupid fuck. All right. AMC needs a little bit of cool down, but it's all right. It's fine. Let's check what Jimmy's doing. Big old Jimbo hit a high of 181.42, up 19% on the day. Big old Jimbo riding with us, even with these shares available to borrow against stock. Let's see. AMC apparently 0 shares available to borrow. I highly doubt it. 80,000 calls expiring in the money. Yeah, this is it. This is it. You're seeing it right here. The gamma, the FOMO, the volume increase. It's making me happy. When do you think normies will start FOMOing? Normies? You elaborate on that? Normies will start FOMOing. You know, I still have some people that I know that are like, yeah, it's still gonna go nowhere. Whatever, I'm not buying in. You know what? Suit yourself, man. I don't give a rat's ass. There's already millions of us. I don't give a rat's ass. But I think this is it. I think this is the next move. Come on, AMC. Come on, baby. Let's get that move. All right. This one's it. Let's be real here. Oh, man. Let's be real. Can I, like, dust off this singular spot? Ooh. No, but this is it. So let's focus up here. I know you see me in the background. All right, you see me right here. And you see AMC about to make a new high. All right. Well, you know, Jim Cramer and Charles Gasparino, it's sad because now that AMC is up 40%, their wife makes them use I know it's so bad, but now they have to use their hand for about a month or two. I know it's sad. It's sad. But not their hand, like, I mean each other's hand. So, like, Jimmy's hand on Gasparino's. Well, anyway, AMC is now pushing a new high about to. It's up 40% on the day. Come on, baby. We're not going to miss it. We're not going to miss it here on this stream. We're going to look back to this in a year, and exactly we're going to get those butterflies, and we're going to see that this was the greatest wealth transfer in history. And this is just the beginning, okay? This thing is most likely going to last for about a week or two. But, you know, I want to see you move, man. Come on, baby. And new highs on the day for AMC just about now. Come on. It's so close, guys. Oh, there we go. Absolutely fucking insane. Obliterating the breakout. 28.57 new high on AMC. Jumped 17 cents here. Oh my God. There's no stopping the fucking monster. Absolutely no stopping the monster. I mean it. I mean it. There is no stopping the monster. GameStop new high 181.90. 182.78. Sorry, new high already. There's absolutely no stopping the monster. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That was a pre-test. Chances are you're going to get a hammer candle and then a fucking blast. And this is exactly what we said. Exactly what we see. The hammer candle and now the move. That was a test up there. 28.61. And you are witnessing it live here on the stream. AMC, the fucking monster, up 41% on the day. Getting a new breakout. A high of 28.61. Chances are we're going to go up to some new levels. What we're looking at is a slow grind up to $32. That's what I want to see. A slow grind up to 32, whether it comes now, whether it comes after hours. That's what I want to see. Okay. Okay, we have 16 minutes of power hour left. 16 minutes. Just in power hour alone, let's take a look. Okay, let's take a look here. This is. Let me get these fucking ads off the screen. All right, you're looking at 2, 3. Okay, power hour alone, you're looking at a 19% gain already as we speak for AMC. New highs of the day, 28.68. It looks like it's going to break right through that any second now. So we'll see what happens. Drop some rockets for your baby in here, AMC, GameStop. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's fucking go, everyone. Like, absolutely regular people. All right, normies, like, absolutely regular people. I don't know. I think anytime absolutely normal people, whatever that is to you, I think anytime you mention a stock or stock market to them, it's immediately, I don't know how to do that. All right, AMC currently at 28.73, new high on the day, up 41%, up 42% now, 28.80. All right, well, I can't even talk fast enough unless I'm like a fucking, those people that do the auctions. AMC just hit a new high, 28.80. Let's leave it at that, and we're going to check on it in about a minute. For all the audio listeners, AMC new high, 28.80, up 41%, currently trading at 28.55. GameStop, currently up 20.8%. A high of 180. Whoa, this is glitching. Okay, a high of 184.30, currently trading at 183.70. And that is for the audio people just listening in. Beautiful, beautiful day. I hope people don't sell before closing. Doesn't matter. Absolutely doesn't matter. Retail. Yeah, retail has something to do with this. Some FOMO, gamma. But overall, shorts are getting obliterated. Whether you have your friend and your dad's friend and his cousin's friend and his cousin's fucking friend's daughter's fucking husband's wife, whether they all sell before close, it doesn't matter. We're gonna get moving here. Shorts are absolutely fucked on the day, and you could see some of them covering. But looks like AMC is gonna not even cooling down. New high 28.82. Come on, baby, let's get it going. The thing is, each of these consolidations, and then a new test on a new high and a new candle breakout. This is exactly where people say. All right, I'll buy in if it drops, and then bang, you get one of these, and this is a FOMO. This is FOMO candle right here. Exactly what you see is, oh shit, it's not gonna drop. That's what clicks into them. Oh shit, it's not gonna drop. Buy in, and then that's pretty much the basic psychological thinking. Is that okay? So FOMO. Who the fuck? Damn, some road rage out here. All right, AMC. Okay, baby. 29 is here, guys. Ooh, what is that smidge right here? 29. Oh, damn, let me wipe that. What the fuck? What the absolute fuck? And I missed it. We just hit 29. We just hit 29 on AMC, and I didn't get the smudge off the screen. Let's clear that up here. 29, baby. 29, baby. Go on your Twitter. Go to your fucking dad's room. Go to your fridge. Write 29. We just hit it, baby. 29 on the day. Up 43%. 29.11. Dude, if we break over 32 on the day, you're going up to 36. Mark my words. If we break 32 on the day, we are on our way up to 36. AMC at 29.25. Currently up 44%. GameStop. 186.77, up 22%. Okay. The more and more these run, the more and more my Weibo glitches. I swear to you, it's so weird. I swear to you, it's so weird. SPY 454.73. VIX under 21. Is this what you're saying here? Ooh, yeah. The volatility in the market is super low right now. This is a good thing to see. And the reason for that is because it pushed new highs on the day, 455.20. And this is people settling in on news, on pricings, on inflation, and on whatever you can see. It's being priced in, and now it's settled. Okay, this is what I like to call a trend. This is a trend. This is a settled, set in stone trend that the community, the people are now saying, okay, it's time to leave my money in the market. It's safe. It's time to be a bull. AMC at 29, 32, 33, 36, 37, high of the day, 45% on the day, 38, 41. Listen, I told you I'm about to become one of those auction people. Tell me, you ready? All right, 29, 48, 49, high of AMC 50, 29, 50. This is literally what they do. Bro, drop some rockets. If you're not dropping rockets, then you're either on your phone driving, which means you don't drop some fucking rockets, or you're sleeping in your mattress, so drop some fucking rockets. AMC at 29.50 right now, up 45% on the day. Oh, this is awesome to be streaming right now. 187.16 for GameStop, up 23% on the day. Looks like it's going to move after AMC. AMC's not cooling off at all. Oh, can you guys believe it? Take a step back when 2 weeks ago, when everybody was losing faith, or getting bored of the 9-month downtrend, you're up 50% on the day. You're up 50% on the day. Get yourself a nice meal tonight, okay? Nice meal. Let's see. When it starts trending on Twitter, FOMO is going to increase even more. Oh, I guarantee you it's already trending. I'll check it right now. Let's see. Oh, shit. All right. We got some new tweets here. Oh, my gosh. This is an absolute monster. All right, trending. Twitter. Wow. I guarantee you this is why they... All right, AMC is 12 on trending on Twitter, right? And, of course, the number 2 trending on Twitter is the Will Smith thing. And that was some people's theory, right? It's a distraction to get trending remarks away from AMC, whatever. It could be, could not be, but either way, AMC's up 46%, 29.61. That's it. For everybody saying last Friday, all the bitchy, whiny fucks who came in saying, oh, the close above 20 didn't do anything. Gamma's not going to happen, right? FOMO's not going to happen. This thing's going to drop next week. Guess what, buddy? It's Monday and we're up 50%. We are up 50%. Everybody is printing but you. 29.70. We're going to hit 30 on the day. You break over 32, you're going to 36 on the day. I doubt with money pumping into the market that these margin calls, these shorts covering is going to stop. I highly doubt it's going to stop. The SPY is still cranking. With the SPY cranking, shorts positions are getting screwed. Not just their AMC short positions, but they're getting screwed. They have to cover these. It's not looking good. It's really seriously not looking good. It's interesting, right? Because everything is getting clamped down. We're trying to avoid a recession. Prices are going up. And then you have this, okay, for the people. So many other people who aren't in this play could be in this play. And it's just sad because this is going to be the greatest wealth transfer. And all it takes is a week of education, YouTube videos, reading social media, just a week of education and learning sentiment and choosing, do you agree, do you not agree? Okay, now there's also a difference between people who take the risk and people who live paycheck to paycheck, which is completely fine. A lot of people like working. Personally, I would rather risk all of my money and not know what I'm going to make in the next day or so. It's just how I function and how I like to do things. AMC getting a little bit of a cool down here. This is healthy. Don't worry about it. Chances are we're going to come down and base at 28.70, somewhere in that region, somewhere around there. If we don't go all the way down there, because AMC is an absolute fucking monster, you could just see another push. But let's see how the RSI is doing. RSI is heavily overbought here, still above the 70. Let's see how the volume is now on AMC. Volume has surpassed 200 million on AMC. 214 million on the day for AMC. You love to see it. Absolutely beautiful thing to see. Surpassing 200 million in the right direction is amazing. Everybody dropping rockets. This is beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Education, you mean max leverage rent money? Listen, if you can't, then don't. I understand, but I'm just saying yes. I'm not saying take your rent money and stuff it into a fucking call option. That's not what I'm saying. Although that would have worked in this scenario. You would have been able to pay your rent about probably for the year. Honestly. Oh, this is beautiful. All right, 29.73 high on the day for AMC for all the audio listeners. Currently trading at 29.27, up 44.6% on the day. And as for GameStop, hit a high of 187. Oh, okay, hit a high of 190.84. Currently trading at 188.07, 188.12, somewhere in that zone. It's just moving pretty fast. Up 24% on the day. AMC and GameStop are taking a cool off, but not really getting smacked. So chances are this is not going to be your peak price, your closing price. You may see 50%. You may see us surpass 50% on the day for AMC. Okay, so we'll see what happens here. Kind of just cooling off a bit for everybody hopping in. We just had the most lit fucking, oh dude, the pump to 29.73, insane. We have 4 minutes left of power hour. AMC hopefully gonna make some moves here. It's cooling off. It's getting ready to push, getting ready to move. Oh baby, let's go. Let's do our thing here. 4 minutes left of power hour. AMC trades 215 million on the day. 215 million on the day. Absolutely amazing thing to see. Let's slide this over here so I can check this out. This is exactly... Does this look familiar to you guys? I'm just going to put it up. This is the basic chart. Whoa, why is it Pixel doing that? All right, take a look at the run-up May to 70, right? Does this look familiar? I just can't. I can't put my finger on it. I don't know. Maybe I'm tripping. But either way, 216 million volume on the day. High of 29.73. And we still have 3 minutes of power hour left. We are going to get cranking, get cracking, get moving, get our tits jacked. Moon mission to the fucking moon. Looks like GameStop and AMC are both done cooling off, getting ready for another push here. Oh my god, dude. This stream, I really feel like one of those auction people. Literally just... Alright, let's see. SPY got smacked a little bit here, but it's still holding on. You want to see SPY keep moving? But either way, I think this is a bit high. Even if AMC doesn't get a push right here, GameStop doesn't get a push, you're up 40% on the day, and then 24%. Beautiful. Wow, absolutely amazing. All right, 37 likes on the stream. Amazing. Let's see. I'm back. Lost my signal. Oh, I hope you didn't miss the pop. Brandon Nelson says, are shorts covering? Definitely some smaller firms are getting out. That's not only due to just them wanting to get out, but chances are they're being forced out of their positions. The SPY has hit a day high of 455.49, and shorts want bear markets, and this is a bull market at this moment in time. The SPY is absolutely cranking. Their positions are being deleveraged. They're getting close to margin calls. They have to cover. They have to get out before they get margin called, etc., etc. It's just overall a bad scenario for them. Okay, so I do think some shorts are covering, but remember, you also have major gamma pouring into the play, as well as some FOMO pouring into the play. And yeah, yep, that is absolutely it. Let's check this out. Oh my god. Oh my god, my call option is up 411% on AMC. And guess what? I'm holding that bad boy. I'm a diamond-handed ape. and there's nothing you can do about it. I'm holding it, I'm holding it. Let's see what happens overnight. We will see what happens overnight. Okay, for everybody that popped in the stream, there's about 20 seconds left for Power Hour. As we before we explain the closing price, there's links in the description. One to become a member, one for a free Discord with most awesome people, and it is the only Discord where we're very active. People are amazing in there. Buy, sell signals for stocks, talk stocks. And then there's also a link down below where you can get actually free money. Chances are the most likely is about $25 to $40 worth. You can sell it by AMC with it. All you have to do is deposit 1 cent. And on that note, the market is closed. Okay, guys, that was a beautiful day. AMC closed at $29.39, up 45.21% on the day. GameStop closes at $189.91, up 24.98% on the day, with 26,000 calls expiring in the money. And we're going to go over everything in tonight's update video, so be ready for that. Tune in for that. We're going to go over what happens in the next 10 to 20 minutes in the after hours as well, if it is significant or not, and what was significant on the day. Guys, make sure to tune in on that. AMC's getting smacked after hours. I don't think this is going to continue. But, guys, tune in for the wrap-up video. I'll go over the live chat real quick, and then we're going to get out of here. Successful day, I would say. Yes, definitely. Successful day. Amazing day. By the way, does leverage increase with profit, or is it worth it to sell and buy to get higher leverage? Leverage increase with profit, or it is... that's a confusing question. Are you talking about just how much you're leveraging your position? Because it's all in what you initially get in at, and it also depends if you're trading options or stocks. Options, of course, is going to be a 10x leverage. So if the stock goes up a percent, you're up 10%. AMC is bleeding a bit in after hours. I'm going to do some digging. Tune in for the wrap-up video. I appreciate everybody hopping into the stream.